And some big breaking news coming in on the developments within the Grand Alliance in Bihar. JDU's Rajya Sabha MP Sharad Yadav has backed Lalu Prasad Yadav over the recently conducted raids against him and his family members. In fact, what he said that he slammed the Modi government, claiming that these ongoing raids are nothing but a political witch hunt against Lalu Prasad Yadav and his family members. Sharad Yadav saying that they are being targeted, that they are being victimized, and the CBI results was just an example of the kind of political vendetta being meted out on Lalu Prasad Yadav and his family members. In fact, he also added that he will be attending the opposition meet, which is supposed to take place tomorrow on the vice presidential polls. Supriya Bharadwaj joins us for more on this recent development. Supriya, just when we were talking about, the cracks within the Grand Alliance further widening and deepening, here comes a big statement from Sharad Yadav himself saying that, well, all of the raids against Lalu Prasad Yadav is nothing but a political conspiracy, and he has also announced his presence at tomorrow's crucial meet.
Well, Avantika, this is really big because this is for the first time a JDU leader has come out and spoken on the entire episode which is taking place in Patna. Well, the JDU's former chief, Sharad Yadav, who happens to be the member of the Rajya Sabha, has said that most likely he'll be going tomorrow to attend the opposition parties' meet as far as the deciding the vice presidential candidate as well as strategy for monsoon session is concerned. When we spoke to him about the CBI raids which are happening in Patna, he said that this is nothing but to stop the formation of the Mahagathbandhan, keeping 2019 elections in mind. Also, he went further and he said that all these raids, which include the raids happening on TMC and other parties also, are just to stop the formation of the Mahagathbandhan, which allegedly is being done by BJP. The targeting of Lalu Prasad Yadav and his family had already, this plea was taken by the Congress party, and now JDU for the first time has come out and given the statement. As far as JDU is concerned, they are in a huddle and tomorrow there will be a big meeting of all the national, state as well as district level of leaders in Patna, which will be headed by none other than Nitish Kumar himself. The RJ Day is meeting today in Patna. They are also deciding as to what is going to be the further strategy. As far as Congress is concerned, they have thrown their weight behind RJD.
All right, Supriya, we have the reaction of Sharad Yadav. Let's just play that out for our viewers and I'll come back to you for further updates.
बिहार में जिस तरह के हालात हैं तो उसके लिए मीटिंग हमारी पार्टी की और आरजेडी की दोनों की हो रही है। जो परिस्थिति है, जो क्राइसिस पैदा हुआ है, उसके लिए दोनों की मीटिंग हो रही है। तो यहाँ जो 11 तारीख को मीटिंग है, हो सकता है संभव हो तो हम चले जाएंगे। तो उनकी जो कार्रवाई है वो गठबंधन बनने से रुकेगा नहीं, गठबंधन बनेगा और ताकत के साथ बनेगा।
तो जो सीबीआई की रेड्स पड़ रही हैं, आप कह रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं वो महागठबंधन रोकने की तैयारी?
सबसे ज़्यादा ये कि जब से गठबंधन काम का शुरू हुआ तब से इस तरह की कार्रवाई सब तरफ हो रही है।
Supriya, a very big announcement there coming in from Sharad Yadav at a time when Nitish Kumar has called off the Janta Darbar that was supposed to be held today, in which the Deputy Chief Minister was also supposed to be present. I mean, there are talks and murmurs of the rifts and differences only widening between the alliance. Comes this big statement from Sharad Yadav himself that no one will stop them from keeping their flock together, from building this grand opposition unity.
Well, absolutely, yes, Avantika. As far as JDU is concerned, this is a very big statement. It has come for the first time and we are breaking it on India Today at the moment. And what Sharad Yadav is saying is certainly a signal loud and clear as far as BJP is concerned. We are also picking up this information from the Congress as well as JDU cadre that when the pressure will be built by the BJP as far as stepping down of the Deputy CM of Bihar is concerned, they will be taking a plea as to why so far Uma Bharti, the Union Minister, has not stepped down. They will be saying that as far as Uma Bharti, who's been charge sheeted in a case, is facing serious charges, hasn't stepped down and she's a union minister. Same with other chief ministers of whether Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, they haven't stepped down. So how can BJP ask for the resignation of Tejasvi Yadav as the deputy chief minister? This is also information that we are getting from the Congress and the RJD JDU quarters. They are saying that they will be going all out. They will be trying to defend RJD has already cleared that there is no question of Tejaswi stepping down as the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. But certainly this is a very big statement as far as Sharad Yadav is concerned, who is saying that nobody can stop them from forming Mahagathbandhan in the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha poll.
Oh, absolutely. In fact, let's just hear it from Sharad Yadav once again amid all the talk of a possible disintegration in the opposition unity and the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. Here comes, Sharad Yadav throwing his weight behind Lalu Prasad Yadav and his family members.
बिहार में जिस तरह के हालात हैं तो उसके लिए मीटिंग हमारी पार्टी की और आरजेडी की दोनों की हो रही है। जो परिस्थिति है, जो क्राइसिस पैदा हुआ है, उसके लिए दोनों की मीटिंग हो रही है। तो यहाँ जो 11 तारीख को मीटिंग है, हो सकता है संभव हो तो हम चले जाएंगे। तो उनकी जो कार्रवाई है वो गठबंधन बनने से रुकेगा नहीं, गठबंधन बनेगा और ताकत के साथ बनेगा।
तो जो सीबीआई की रेड्स पड़ रही हैं, आप कह रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं वो महागठबंधन रोकने की तैयारी?
सबसे ज़्यादा ये कि जब से गठबंधन काम का शुरू हुआ तब से इस तरह की कार्रवाई सब तरफ हो रही है।
Okay, so an effort there being made, according to Sharad Yadav, to iron out the differences, to try and bridge the differences between the alliance partners in the state of Bihar.